Ditch the controller and unlock hands-free YouTube navigation on your Xbox using just your voice. First, make sure you have a compatible microphone setup. You can use a headset plugged directly into your Xbox controller. Or if you have Kinect, that will work too. Press the Xbox button on your controller to bring up the guide Navigate to Profile and System, then select Settings. Within the Settings menu, go to Devices and Connections, and then select Speech. Ensure that the Use Speech to Text box is checked. This enables voice commands throughout your Xbox, including within the YouTube app. Now, launch the YouTube app once it's open. Look for the microphone icon next to the search bar. Select the microphone icon by using the controller. You'll see a listening prompt appear now. Speak clearly and say what you want to search for. For example, try saying, "Search for funny cat videos." The YouTube app will automatically populate the search bar with your spoken query and display the corresponding video results. You can then use your voice to navigate through these results. Try commands like play to start a video, pause to stop it, or next video to skip to the next suggestion. Experiment with other commands to fully explore voice control. If voice search isn't working, double-check your microphone connection and ensure it's not muted in the Xbox settings. Adjust your microphone volume. Restarting your Xbox can also resolve most common issues. Now you can enjoy YouTube hands-free on your Xbox.